Welcome to Still Ritual. Close your eyes. Be still. Take a slow breath in and release it gently. Again, inhale and exhale. Let your breath become steady and unforced. Above you, the full moon. It has always been there. Before your first breath, before your name, before any memories, it watched. It moved the oceans. It lit the nights of those who came before you. And now it shines for you. Feel its light reaching down. The light begins to pour into you. It fills your head, your thoughts, your awareness. Like silver water, clear and endless. And it flows into your chest. And feel your heart begin to open. This light knows you. It has always known you. Let it fill every space. Gently and completely. And your breath deepens on its own. With every inhale, more light enters. And with every exhale, it integrates, becoming a part of you. The light moves into your core, warming you and strengthening you, awakening something steady and powerful. Let it build. Let it gather. And now feel it in your entire body. You are full, but not overwhelmed. You are at ease and alive. Above you, the moon remains, unchanging, faithful. It has been with every version of you, every moment, every cycle, and it is with you now. Let its presence steady you. And you align with it, just as the tides do. Feel the fullness within you. A quiet strength. A deep calm. A steady ancient energy. Rest here. Breathing, receiving its energy, being filled with its power. Begin to return slowly and feel your body and the space around you. Gently open your eyes and carry this energy with you. You are never separate from it. It has always been here, and it will always find